Okay guys, here it is, my PTSFAB OBS Chevy weld-in K-member. Just got it today. I'm putting it in my 94 OBS Chevy 1500. Trying to cut some weight out of this thing. And anyways, I'm going to take a few videos of installing this. It's pretty straightforward, I think. There's no instructions with it, but I think there's a little cutting I got to do before it goes in, but we'll find out, and I'll take you guys along. Bye. Okay guys, I did some plasma cutting. Got the front and back both cut out. I did this right side first, so I was a little shy, but I went over to the other side and I said, what the hell, let's cut it all out and make room so I don't have to do this again. Got burnt a little bit with the old plasma cutter, but anyway, let me get cleaned up and we'll see if I can hang this thing in here and show you guys what it looks like. All right, sorry for the bad lighting. It's getting dark. Okay guys, found another thing here I need to cut off. I know it's kind of hard to see, but these are flared out here on the bottom on both sides. Can't get those tabs to slide up in there on both sides. I can get one side on, but the other side is too far away, so I'm gonna nip those off, dress them with the wheel, and try again. Bye. Okay guys, got about an hour into this project so far, and well, as you can see, this holds off a little bit. It's all up and tight up in the front there. I got cut out plenty for that front. Again, getting dark. I did get one bolt in, and it's just a short bolt. It doesn't go all the way through. Just holding it there so it don't drop on my head, but it's in there tight. It wouldn't fall on me. But anyways, not sure what to do about that right now. I know I don't want to drill it out. I don't know. See if maybe I can get a hold of somebody at PTF. Been kind of hard to get a hold of them, but we'll see. But an hour into it and it's this far, I'm pretty happy with it. I might be able to just suck this bar in on over to the other side and get that hole in, but I'm tired, and I gotta go in and eat dinner later. Guys, yeah, this may be the issue. It's hard to tell. It's getting dark, but I do got a jack under this, just light pressure, nothing. Didn't even come off the jack stands, but there's a gap right there, and it's hitting back here. It's doing the same thing on the other side. So, you know, none of these frames are all the same, so I'm sure that might be the issue why that's not lining up. So tomorrow we'll pull it back out and I'll do a little massaging on that, gain a little clearance, and see if we can get it to line up. Like I said, the other side, it's hard to see, but it's a similar thing. So again, I didn't get any instructions, so I don't know what the hell I'm doing, but we'll figure it out. See ya.